So I guess it's time to take my single turbo 335i out on its maiden voyage. Oh, again, I'm not gonna break any speed laws, but that open dump is so loud. Oh my God, I gotta do that again. I'm taking a quick look at my logs, but oh, everything is safe. Everything is safe. Ah, that is way too addicting. Holy woo! Oh my God! And it still corners just like a 335i, just like what you'd expect it to. Especially being on coilovers, it is way more fun around the corners. Oh, I can get into some serious trouble with this car, but I'm gonna save it all for the track. I'm a good boy. Oh man, that rub is so bad. I love the E90, and this is a lot of fun. One thing is for sure, I definitely need some upgraded brakes. This clutch just grabs. This is a good clutch. Is the amount that I spent on this 335i embarrassing? Yeah, to the average person, but to the enthusiast, woo, worth every penny. I am just so excited to record some more videos with this thing at the very least. Stay out of trouble to the best of my abilities. Yeah, let's avoid that. Uh-oh. Oh my God, that is too much fun. This thing just never fails to put a smile on my face. And that is until it makes sounds I don't like.